welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing today? I hope you guys are doing well. You're doing great. So today, as you can see before you guys, I'm going to be baking cake. Like I said in my previous video, I baked a cake for my daughter's birthday and my son's birthday. So right now what I have here is my butter, my vanilla extract, sugar, baking powder, plain flour, and 12 eggs, and then a plain bowl. So if you want to know how I make this cake, stay tuned and keep watching, guys. So I've already cut the butter into the bowl. Right now I'm just going to add in my sugar. I actually had 7 of that spoon into it, and then after adding the sugar, I will now mix the sugar and the butter together. Sorry guys, the sugar dust, the way is going everywhere on front of the camera and all. Sorry about that. So guys, after I finish this, I'll just go ahead to mix it. So right now my daughter is breaking the eggs. So after she finished breaking the eggs, we just add it to the butter with sugar, and then we mix everything together properly. So right now I'm just going to add in my vanilla extract and then start mixing again. So right now I'm adding in my flour. You can see that I put it in the sieve. So I'm just sieving it inside the mixed butter and the sugar with egg that I mixed earlier on. So I'm not going to pour in everything at once. As you can see, I'm just adding them into it bit by bit so that I can be able to control it, to mix it very well. So that's what I'm trying to do here. So I've had the second batch to eat, and then I'll add in the last batch, and then I'll keep mixing until I get the consistency that I want. And sorry guys, the powder is just going around everywhere. I'm so sorry about that. Please bear with me and stay tuned. Keep watching. I'll be right back. So right now I've already finished mixing the cake, though I'm still mixing it. That is because I'm waiting for my mini-me to bring in the pan and the butter. So as I'm mixing it now, she's going to bring in the pan and butter, and then we add in the butter into the pan, and then after that we just add a little bit of plain flour into the pan as well. The reason why we are putting in the butter and the plain flour into the pan is to prevent the cake from being sticky into the pan when the cake is cooked, when you want to take the cake out from the pan. So that's the reason why we are adding butter and plain flour into the pan. I know some of you will be wondering, oh, mini-me is helping mama out in the kitchen. Yeah, that's why I'm so proud to have her in my life. She's always ready to help mama out in the kitchen. So, and again, I'm happy that she's really learning so fast a lot of things from me. So right now we already had in the plain flour into the pan, and then I'm just going to go ahead to pour in all the cake mix into the pan and make sure everything settles into the pan. But before then guys, I've already preheated my oven. My oven is running at this time, so it's already hot for the cake mix to go inside. So guys, stay tuned and keep watching. So guys, this is my first check after 35 minutes of being inside the oven. So I'm just checking it out to see if it's fully cooked. So guys, after the first check, I left it for about 10 minutes, and then I bring it out from the oven. Right now I'm ready to decorate my cake. Sorry guys, it's not my cake, it's my daughter's cake. Yeah, it's our cake. Anyway guys, right now I'm just I've already cut the cake into two, and then I'm just adding in the buttercream into the cake to spread it all over before I start to decorate the cake. And mind you guys, remember I told you guys this is my first time of decorating a cake. Actually it's my second time, because I actually decorate my son's cake as well, and that was my first time, and this is my second time. So I'm just trying to play around with all this cake decoration thing. So that is exactly what I am doing. So guys, stay tuned and then keep watching how I decorate the cake and everything. And I hope you guys enjoy watching this tutorial with me. Is it tutorial I'll call it, or cake baking or something like that? And I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. And if you love what you see on my channel, you love what you see right now, please do consider subscribing, and also don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And if you are new to my channel, my name is Patient, known as Iyawo Ola. I do a lot of beautiful stuff on my channel. As you can see, this is part of what I do on my channel, as this is the first time I'm presenting to you guys that I also bake cake, even though I am not perfect yet, but I know with consistency, and I'm determined to learn more about baking, I'll be perfect in the future. So guys, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you love this video, share and subscribe, leave me a good comment, and let me know in the comment section how I did in this whole process, if I did well. So guys, thank you for watching, and I really appreciate your love and your support towards this channel. I really appreciate all your prayers and everything. Thank you all so much, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Until then, remain blessed. Please don't click out, keep watching and see how I actually design this cake.